Guess what? It's pie time. I make peach cobbler about once a year, usually in the summer. It's 93 degrees here today, so I think that counts. Some people say the difference between a cobbler and a pie is the dough. Cobbler dough is more like biscuits, spongy and soft, and pie crust is crispy and flaky. Others say that anything that isn't round is a cobbler. I'm not jumping into that debate, but I'm going for a spongy and square version of a pie today. I start by mixing the cold, sifted dry ingredients together in a bowl. Next, I grate the frozen butter into the dry ingredients and combine it all. I'm using 2 knives to cut up the butter even more. Just like the biscuits, we're making a cornmeal-like texture so that you still have small chunks of butter in there. The cold water is the last ingredient to be added. The recipe calls for about 1/3 of a cup, but you should use more or less depending on how dry your flour is. You just want to get the dough moistened up. Form the dough into a ball and let the dough rest for 15 minutes to get completely hydrated. Cut the dough in half if you're making a top and bottom crust. Roll out the bottom crust, place it into the pan, then add the fruit mix. Now repeat, rolling the top crust and place it on the pie. Then take a little time to make it look neat. I fold the crust over so that it looks better, and voila! Bake this in the oven for 40 minutes at 350 degrees. And this is what it looks like after it's baked. It's my first pie using fresh peaches. I think it looks great, don't you?